Congratulations to all the students who have contributed to an extraordinary result in JEE Mains Round 2 2021. Narayana Educational Institutions have banked 400 percentiles out of 13. And today here with me are Aditya, Adarsh and Rohit, and unfortunately Ashwin is in Chennai. So let's welcome all three of them. Hello. First of all, congratulations to all three of you guys. How did you achieve it? What was your main success mantra behind Mains Round 2, scoring 100 percentile?
Just following the school schedule, whatever the exams they conduct, whatever the teachers tell, just following them blindly. Our principal also says the same thing always. If you follow the system blindly, then you'll obviously achieve the result.
The teachers, Narayana system and the schedule helped me a lot in securing this.
That's nice.
They have built us up really well. First, they focus on basics till we reach a point when we feel that even the external exams like JEE exams or any other exams, Olympiad exams, they are the same exams which are being conducted in our schools. Okay. So it's that kind of foundation. It's really helpful.
Okay.
Here at Narayana, the syllabus is completed real quick and foundation is made very strong. Exams are conducted weekly on online platform called NLearn. There's a detailed analysis immediately after exam by teachers and also on NLearn platform that helped us a lot in achieving this.
That's nice.
Due to schooling, it helped me, and due to that I was able to perform well during my first year and second year. So I have to say schooling has helped me a lot in achieving my goal.
Narayana system came with really quick plans to start online classes, and we didn't even waste a bit of time. We utilized whole time during the lockdown, and I think it really benefited us a lot. So if you have a pre-planned schedule before the exam, what you have to do, what your week topics, it'll be really helpful for us. And our teachers, our principal, or Narayana management has always propelled us to work in that way.
The management and everyone here helped us a lot and supported us during lockdown. The plans were made according to situation very quickly, so that didn't waste any time.
There was a detailed timetable for every day for the online classes also, and there were even sessions in which we used to call the teachers and they used to discuss us from home only, like what are our mistakes and how to improve our score. And there were even working sessions, like we used to message our teachers our doubts and they used to immediately reply, which gave us a lot of it really helped me lower my stress. Like I used to feel like it is no difference from when we were here, because we used to immediately get our solutions from our doubts, and there were even a lot of counseling sessions obviously, which helped me a lot.
I was not a core architecture student, right? So it's not correct for me to expect 100 percentile in BArch. But I should feel that I'm lucky for getting a good result.
But that's an extraordinary score.
Yes.
Here at Narayana, the foundation is made strong, so we are well prepared for all the examinations. Just before the examination, just before that specific examination, we do the previous year papers and our teachers help us and guide us so that we improve, and we make a strategy and we write the examination.
Yes, one thing I would like to say is people appearing for advanced who have the main target as advanced should not care much about what, even if their mains goes bad. They should not keep thinking about the same thing and even go and spoil their advance also. They should take the positives from the exam. What mistakes they can rectify on that, and in the 2 months time they can then rectify their mistakes and prepare for advance.
That's a huge, extraordinary result. So I would like to congratulate you once again for the coming up Mains Round 3, Round 4 and Advanced. So all the best, wishing you lots of success, and may you reach whatever ambition you dreamt of. Thank you so much for coming to this interview.
Thank you, ma'am.